Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Odyssey bonnet. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface and the engine is off. It's crucial for your safety to have the parking brake engaged before proceeding. This initial step sets you up for a smooth and secure bonnet opening process. Let's get started with finding that first release lever. Now, let's locate the primary bonnet release. It's typically found on the driver's side beneath the dashboard, often near your left foot or the emergency brake pedal. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct pop sound, indicating that the primary latch has released and the bonnet has slightly lifted. This means you're ready for the next step. With the primary latch released, head to the front of your Honda Odyssey. Carefully slide your hand under the center of the bonnet, above the grille, to locate the secondary safety latch. This lever is usually positioned in the middle. Push this lever to the right while gently lifting the bonnet. This action will fully disengage the secondary latch, allowing you to open the bonnet completely. Once the bonnet is open, locate the prop rod, usually clipped to the underside of the bonnet or in the engine bay. Remove it from its clamp and firmly insert it into the designated slot on the bonnet to keep it securely open. When you're finished, return the prop rod to its clamp, then lower the bonnet to about 12 inches above the closed position and let it drop to latch securely. And speaking of reading, if you love diving into a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.